Hello viewers, in this video let us see Dji Osmo 4. Let us unbox it and let us feel how the Osmo 4 looks. I had purchased in Amazon in the $1 billion sale, which I had got on a pretty good rate. You can check that out in the description below. The box looks pretty neat. As soon as you open the box, you get a caption saying create magnetic moments. That's the highlight of the Dji Osmo 4. The packaging looks pretty good and neat, where you get pouch, which is pretty good, and a tag for the gimbal, DJI logo on it, and you get a stencil if you want to fix a permanent magnet in your phone. So this is the permanent magnet and few 3M stickers around it. And a few manuals. This is the permanent magnet which would be used to stick upon the mobile with the help of the stencils provided. You get all the instruction in different languages. The instruction manual contains how to fix your mobile with the gimbal. Now comes the main part, where you get the arm for the gimbal in case you want to take some steady photos or videos, or where you can mount it, and a USB Type-C cable. And this is the main part where if you don't want to fix the permanent magnet, this is the arrangement which has been given, and the clamp looks pretty tight and good. You won't feel your mobile would slip on that, and few DJI logo stickers in case if you wanna stick somewhere. And the main problem here is it is only compatible with few devices, so I would advise the viewers to check on the compatibility before buying the Dji Osmo 4. And the silicone gel to avoid the wetness. Finally, the gimbal, which looks pretty solid. I haven't used any other gimbal, so for me it looks pretty good and solid. Regarding the functionality wise or how the video turns out, which might be coming up in the future videos. Thank you.